also got it back here. I'll be showing you the easy opening, not a flashy opening, and it goes like this. So the way you do it is you let it drop like that, and then you flick it around like that, and then back around, flick it back up, and use the same handle, turn it upside down, let it drop, flick it around, fling it back around, up. So then it looks like this, fast motion. Really cool. So guys, hope you like and subscribe. Hope you like my new intro. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing also Destiny and Rainbow Six Siege from now on. So, okay.